Challenge 5. Let's go in and clear it out. We'll start with soul runners. Get rid of some of the air. That will beat the snot out of you. All right, send them out. Now we're going to bring in light bringers. We're going to start clearing out the front. Just leave them there. They'll start shooting all the other stuff. They shoot pretty quickly, so that's one good thing. All right, let's go over here and clear out this section. We got to get rid of him, so we'll shoot here, clear out these guys. We got to get rid of him over here. This guy's going to fly, so we got to be ready to leave. Come out here and stop so that he'll go back. Okay, he goes back. Now we will get rid of these guys. A couple guys will come out. We'll pull back. Okay, now we'll go clear out a little bit of this side. Got to watch out for that plane. Okay, those planes will get you, so just leave them. All right, let's bring in some soul runners. Get rid of the air. One more over here. We'll bring in some light bringers. Clear out this section. You are going to be a problem right there. Normally he's dead. He's not dead right now, so he's going to fire. But we got to get rid of these guys, so we'll just do that. Boom. All right, now we'll bring in soul runners. Got to get rid of the air over here. And we can get rid of it now. We don't do that. Okay. Now we'll bring in Devin. Devin will set us up over here for when we bring in our air at the end. So, see who moves. All right, pull him out. Shock him and then kill the plane. Every now and then you shock him a little bit, but basically we're killing the plane. Just keep him shocked so he doesn't fire on you. All right, get rid of him. All right, get rid of him, shock him, and he'll stop. But the rail is going to do you real damage, so. Okay, we got to get rid of the anti-air. When we bring in our aces, that'll kill us. So right now, we just get rid of the air, and if it works out right, these buggies will come up. If the buggies come up, that'll save us a lot of time later on. Come on, come on. No, they're not coming. Okay, well, this guy's coming. He's good to kill. But you got to watch out if those guys start coming. Okay, there's a buggy. The more that we can get these buggies to come up. Because they will shoot Dennis. All right. Got to get rid of this air. And the anti-air. Get rid of all the anti-air, because when we bring our air in later on, you'll be glad you did. Let's get rid of this air. Last one's right here. He will kill the guys that are around your Devon, but he really won't do a lot of damage. Devon never even gets 5 minutes of damage, so not a big deal. All right, take out this guy. All right, now we're going to bring in our light bringers again. Light bringers will clear out this side and get us ready to finish the base. So they're coming. They're slow as molasses, I will tell you that. All right, take this guy out. All right, now we got to go shoot these tanks and then clear out this, and then we're ready to finish. There are various ways to kill the blackout. I choose to use aces because you get 0 damage. There are other ways to do it, but I did it other ways and I got damaged before, so time is usually not a factor. Okay, now the dangerous thing here is the blackout. So all you want to do is you want to fire on him, and as soon as he fires, get out, because the blackout will attack you. Okay, that's it. Now, bring in, got all the air gone, okay. Bring in your aces and kill these 2 tanks, because these guys will kill your Dennis. And Dennis is only, what happens is the blackout will fly away if you attack with aces. So to keep the blackout from flying away, I bring in Dennis, and Dennis holds him there, and I just use these guys, because these guys will kill your Dennis. So clean him out with your aces, then move him over here in the corner, just to get Dennis into it. Don't kill him, don't chase him. Oh, you're a pain in the butt, you guys. Anyways, deselect them. Got to get rid of a couple of them to make room for the Dennis. And then once that gets down, I can bring my Dennis in, and the Dennis will keep the blackout on the map. Come on, turn green. Bingo. Select him. Now Dennis, here he comes. He will keep him on the screen. But see this guy here, he'll do a little damage. Nothing we can do about it. Deselect him. Bring in my aces. And kill him. 4 minutes, lots of time. The aces are just going to, he's going to, instead of flying away, he's worried about the Dennis. Normally I try to kill these buggies because, see, this buggy will give, normally Dennis gets no damage if the buggy's dead. But not a big deal. So you just let him bomb the turd out of him. No hurry, just let him go. Had the blackout fly away a couple times, which is a pain in the butt. And you just lose. All the damage you got, well, you don't get a whole lot of damage. I'll show you how much damage you get when we're done. You don't get much. When he dies and we got to get rid of him, then we'll bomb the rest. We got lots of time. You can see he's getting down. He's just about dead. There, bingo. Now let's get this guy. You see why it wastes time? That's why I try to kill him with the Devon earlier, but if he doesn't attack, I'm not willing to lose Devon to... Okay, there we go. Now we just let Ruby clear the rest. There's just a couple of things we didn't kill. So you got plenty of time. Time's not a problem. Clear these guys out. The base is yours, and the reward is yours. Couple here. That's it. Even you can do it. And 275, 2 times. All right, we've got enough time. Restart this bad turkey. See how much damage we did. We don't usually get very much damage. I have 2 tunes of Lightbringers, 2 tunes of Soul Runners. Just let them get a little bit of damage. My goal is to stay under 5 minutes per unit. Let's see what we get. Dennis, 10 minutes, but he'll be healed before I need to do another level 5, so that's not a problem. Sometimes Dennis gets nothing if I can get those buggies earlier. Come on, get in here. Okay, there we go. 27 seconds for Devon. Nothing. 4 minutes for the Soul Runners. 16 minutes, but really what that means is if you just repair them 2 at a time, instant repair, none there, 4 minutes. So you see almost no damage. If you screw up, you'll get some damage, but you know what? Not the end of the world. As you can see, we are now... That was it. That's all of it. Okay, go and do